scary, big.
Okay, so they're scary. That's why. So I spelled gorilla wrong on your thing, so keep that in mind. What's going on with yours? Like as far as the colors and how did you guys do all that?
We just like spray painted it a little bit, and then we splattered paint and duct tape. Yeah.
Where'd you guys get all that duct tape?
Hobby Lobby, I think.
Yeah. Can you open it up just a little bit for us? Or maybe like each of you hold a side. There you go. And then back off just a little bit so we can see. Tell us about the silverback gorilla a little bit.
They live up till 30 to 50 years, and they're pregnant for 8 to 9 months. And the females give birth every 4 years, and they mature around 7 to 8 years of age.
What does that mean they're mature?
Like, till they're like full grown, sort of.
Full grown. And maturity usually means that they're able to make and reproduce.
Yeah. And then the young ones live with their moms for 3 to 4 years.
So really it's a lot like people, just kind of accelerated, kind of faster than what people do. Good. Keep going.
They live in groups of 3 to 50, and the males are the leaders.
Males are what?
The leaders, like the dads. They're mostly found in Zaire, Africa, which is that little orange spot.
What's it called?
Zaire.
Zaire, is that you say it?
Zaire.
Zaire, yep.
I call it Zaire.
It's okay.
It's easy.
Zaire.
Like, their purpose is, like, they eat the rotted wood on the trees. So if they weren't here, then the trees would, like, rot, basically. Okay. And they feed the lions.
Lions?
Yeah.
Whatever eats them.
There's not lions in the rainforest,
Well,
though.
whatever, like
The jaguar?
yeah, the jaguar.
Okay, that's not a lion, though.
Whatever.
Oh, okay.
I meant to say jaguar.
Okay.
But, yeah. And then they weigh up to 350 pounds, the males, and then they have really, like, large canine teeth.
What are canine teeth?
Like these
They're like the sharp teeth.
Like your pointy teeth. And you can see a good picture. You guys have a nice picture of one right pointed out there, London. Right in the center there, you can see their teeth. Cool.
And then the males grow up to 5.5 feet tall, and then the females weigh up to 215 pounds. And then the fur is very thick.
One thing I've noticed, this is called the silverback gorilla, right? Mm-hmm. You guys didn't talk about that, I don't think, anywhere. Why is it called that?
The males are the only ones with
Silverbacks.
Why do they have, all males have silverbacks?
Mm-hmm. The females don't.
But all males do?
Mm-hmm. No.
I'm asking you, is that true?
I don't know. We don't really like look it up that much.
Yeah. Does anybody know what the answer to that is? Do you know, Brandon?
No.
No, they don't?
Like,
yes?
only one of the males does because it's like the leader of the pack.
Right. The silverback is the leader. That's the one that is like the most dominant one. The other ones don't get silverbacks. Now, if you start to have a leader that starts to get old, then the other ones will start to change. But the dominant few males, only a few, and there's a few that are like that. But the dominant few males have a silverback. The rest of them don't. Yeah.
Okay, so today I'm just going to decide I'm going to have a silverback.
No, it has to do with the testosterone. It has to do with how their hormones in their body.
Okay,
And when they become the dominant male, its age is one thing, like they're usually the older ones. And then it's how much, like I said, testosterone, which is the male hormone, and it causes them to change colors. Yeah, no, they don't just change overnight. It's usually a progressive thing.
It
Yeah.
didn't make sense though.
Yeah,
you kind of made like they kind of made.
I don't. Yeah, I think I made it sound like that. Not really them, but it's a progressive thing. If you ever go to the zoo, you'll see one that is really silver, and then the other ones are kind of like that.
Silver, yeah.
Right, and then that's because those are kind of like in line.
But how did they figure out who's them?
They fight. And usually the one that's the biggest and the strongest has the most testosterone. That's what makes you big and strong. Yeah, usually they'll go and they can start a new group, or they'll die. I mean, go somewhere else by themselves. Yeah.
They'll just die.
Well, if they don't have a group, a lot of times they don't survive by themselves.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's this word. Okay, so it makes fishes swim. I know this is totally off topic, but I need to know this word. It starts with a T,
What is going on right now?
Never
What?
mind, I'll pass you later.
Okay, let's talk about it later. Makes fishes swim. All right. So anyway, silverback. Not all of them have silverbacks. It's the dominant ones that do. Anyway, keep going, guys.
They are basically omnivores, but they eat small animals, fruits, and roots.
What are omnivores again, Maya?
They eat only plants.
No fruit.
No, both plants and animals.
Yes, they are They eat plants and animals. Yes.
And they only eat around the dense forest.
What does that mean?
Like, they around it, so they I can't explain it.
The wet.
Like
What?
The
Yeah.
wetter areas.
darker, wet area, by the
That's what it said. They eat around it.
like by the understory and the floor. I think.
Okay. So they stay around the bigger
Yeah.
trees and stuff. Okay. Keep going.
And yeah, on our food web we have jaguar,
Rock.
Leaves, vines, the roots, fruits, and poachers and stuff. That's it.
poacher,
Okay.
Yeah.
What in nature is the jaguar the only thing that eats it?
like
That you guys
packs
got?
of group cats, wild cats. They gang up on the gorilla and eat them.
Sure. Some of the larger cats will eat them. Yep. And then the small ones will get eaten by lots of things. Even other gorillas. Well, that's just how it is, guys. Sorry. Anything else you want to show us? Anything you guys like? Pictures that are cool or anything on there?
Does he have his tongue sticking out?
No, that's it.
Oh. That was his tongue.
So no. Nothing.
I
That's
like
fine.
that
Is it
picture.
That's
Oh.
baby.
cool? Does anybody have any questions about the silverback gorilla form? Okay, give me a hand.